Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study the topics of ring theory. That is, we will study about that set of endomorphisms of an abelian group is a ring with unity, and that any ring with unity can be embedded into the ring of endomorphisms. Now let's get started.
Now the topic we are doing is embedding of a ring into a ring of endomorphism. Now endomorphisms basically क्या होते हैं? It is a homomorphism from A to A, right? Now let V under addition be an additive group. We denote homomorphism V from V, the set of all homomorphisms from V to V, basically set of all the endomorphisms of V. We will now show that homomorphism of V to V forms the ring with unity under the operations defined by, let's define its operations, f plus g x is equal to fx plus gx for all x belonging to V, and similarly fg x is equal to composition of maps for all x belonging to V and for all f and g belonging to homomorphisms from V to V. Now comes our theorem, which states that any ring R can be embedded into the ring of endomorphisms of some additive abelian group. इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं ऐसे. Let R under plus and multiplication be the ring with unity. Any ring with unity है उसके अंदर. Then R under addition forms additive abelian group, be denoted by R plus equal to R under addition as additive abelian group. Now homomorphism from R plus to R plus is a ring with unity. Why so? Because earlier we have shown that if we take a V to be an additive group, then homomorphisms from V to V forms the ring with unity. Under similar lines, we assert that homomorphisms from R plus to R plus is a ring with unity. This is set of all the endomorphisms of additive abelian group R. Define a map F from R to homomorphisms of R plus to R plus such that F of R is equal to G R, where grx is equal to rx for all x belonging to r plus. अब f को वेल डिफाइंड शो करने के लिए what we require that g r from r plus to r plus is a homomorphism. होमोमॉर्फिज्म शो करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? जी आर एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू आर एक्स प्लस वाई विच इज इक्वल टू आर एक्स प्लस आर वाई विच इज इक्वल टू जी आर एक्स प्लस जी आर वाई. इसमें हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला पार्ट नहीं शो करेंगे. काफ़ी बच्चे इसमें गलती कर देते हैं. क्यों नहीं शो करेंगे? क्योंकि यहाँ पे आर प्लस हमने एडिटिव ग्रुप लिया है ना कि रिंग ली है, इसलिए इसमें सिर्फ ये ग्रुप होमोमॉर्फिज्म होगा. therefore we will not show of multiplication. now इससे अब हमें ये तो पता लग गया कि जी आर belongs to homomorphism of r plus to r plus. Again, for r equal to s, it implies r x is equal to sx for all x belonging to r positive, which in turn implies gr x is equal to gsx for all x belonging to r plus, which in turn implies gr is equal to gs as maps, which in turn implies f of r is equal to f of s, and therefore f is well defined map. Reversing the processes of well defined steps, we can show that f is 1 1 also. यहाँ से पूरे सारे स्टेप्स रिवर्स हो जाएंगे. देन वी कैन शो दैट. बस यहाँ इस स्टेप में ले जाने के लिए वी नीड वन कंडीशन, दैट इज r plus contains 1. Therefore we have taken a ring with unity, so that 1 belongs to r, and therefore r dot 1 is equal to s dot 1, which in turn implies r is equal to s, and therefore f is 1 1. सिर्फ फंक्शन को 1 1 शो करने के लिए, ताकि वो 1 1 हो जाए, इसलिए हमें ये कंडीशन चाहिए थी दैट रिंग शुड बी विद यूनिटी. नाउ f को एक एम्बेडिंग शो करने के लिए हमने 1 1 शो कर दिया, वेल डिफाइंड शो कर दिया. वी नीड टू शो दैट इट इज अ रिंग होमोमॉर्फिज्म. फॉर दैट वी नीड f of r plus s is equal to g of r plus s, and f of r plus f of s is equal to g of r plus g of s. अब इन दो मैप्स को इक्वल शो करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए होता है? दैट दे सेटिस्फाई ऑन देयर डोमेन्स, दैट इज दे आर इक्वल ऑन द डोमेन. g r plus s over x is equal to r plus s into x, which is equal to rx plus sx, which in turn is equal to gr of x plus gs of x, that is gr plus s x is equal to gr plus gs over x for all x belonging to r plus, which in turn implies gr plus s is equal to gr plus gs as maps, and therefore f preserves additive operation. Similarly, for multiplication operation, f rs is equal to g rs, and f of r into f of s is equal to g of r g of s. टू मैप्स को इक्वल शो करने के लिए हमें क्या शो करना है? दैट दे आर इक्वल ऑन देयर डोमेन्स. सो g rs of x is equal to rs x, which in turn is equal to r sx, which in turn is equal to r gs of x, which in turn is equal to g r gs of x, that is gr gs of x, because we have defined its multiplication as composition of maps. Here you can see that. Therefore, hence this is equal to gr into gs of x, because homomorphisms of r plus r forms the ring under composition operation and component-wise addition. Now it shows that frs is equal to f of r into fs, as these two maps are equal. Hence we have shown that F is 1 ring homomorphisms, which in turn implies F is embedding map, and therefore any ring with unity can be embedded into the ring of endomorphisms. Now जो हमने एक थ्योरम की थी that any ring can be embedded into a ring with unity, और जब अभी हमने थ्योरम की है that any ring with unity can be embedded into the ring of endomorphisms, इन दोनों को कंबाइन करके हम क्या शो कर सकते हैं that any ring R can be embedded into ring of endomorphisms of some additive abelian group. By summing the two theorems on embedding, we can say that any ring R can be embedded into a ring of endomorphisms of some additive abelian group. That's all for today. Thank you.